I'm so pumped for this. I have been thinking for a long time, at least like a lot for the last month, about buying a pair of Adidas Sambas. I finally did the thing. Let's unbox. I really hope they fit. I went like a little bit bigger. Oh my gosh. I got size 9.5 men's. I wear a size 10, 10.5, 11 in women's. I'm a tall girl. I have a big foot, okay? I love new shoe smell. Oh my gosh. I think they're gonna fit. Okay, let's try them on. First thing, they are very narrow shoes, but I have a narrow foot. They're pretty. They're pretty. I hope they're comfortable because I plan on using these to walk around a lot this summer. Yeah, I'm glad I got the 9.5 instead of just the 9. Okay, these shoes are perfect. I love the colors. They're gonna be a great shoe to literally wear with every outfit this summer. They're so neutral, and I like that it's brown. I love a good brown anything. The arch is kind of weird though, I will admit. Overall, 10 out of 10. I'm glad I did it. It was worth it. Well, I can avoid it no longer. I've got T-minus 2 days till I leave for Scotland. And you know what? I feel good where I'm at packing, but still I don't know. Because here's the thing, I'm confused by the weather in Scotland. I think it's similar to Maine in a way right now where they're still like kind of in the 60s, but then it can just like start raining at any second. I just don't know. I basically have pants for every day, but I really would like to wear shorts. In like 60s, like you could wear shorts and like a long I've got pants, jeans, whatever for every day and some sort of top. I'm probably gonna do like layers so that way if I am getting hot I can just shed a layer. But let me show you what I'm working with. We've got giant ass suitcase, which I don't want to bring a big suitcase, but let's talk about that for a second, okay? Giant ass suitcase. That's a 29-inch suitcase. It's a big boy. And I don't want to be like that tourist that's lugging around a giant ass suitcase, you know what I mean? So if I can fit all of this into a smaller suitcase, I'm going to try, but I did buy that for this trip, but also like just to have in general. Let me stand next to it for 1 second. And people always say when you're packing to go to like Europe or anything, bring a carry-on, which like, that's easier said than done, okay? Look how thick it is. I feel like I'm a giant person in general, so it's kind of hard to grasp it. Try your best. So yeah, I'm embarrassed to have a big suitcase. Thing is I am packing pants, so they do take up more space. But if I can fit this all into a smaller one, I will. I've started to try to put outfits together into days, okay? I'm going to be there a total of like 6-7 days. So we've got 1 outfit. 2 outfits first couple days I'm gonna be there. 2 outfits. Harry Styles outfit, maybe. Comfy clothes for the way there. A pair of jeans that I could literally wear every day and I'd be fine with that. Another one. Another one. It's kind of a mess though. And I've got my calendar because like I constantly have to visualize what's going on. So we've got all of this. I got new shoes. I got the Adidas Samba OGs. So I'm planning on wearing them. What else? What else? I think I'm gonna bring like a pair of tennis shoes. Honestly, I don't know why. Like I don't think I'm going on any hikes. Also, I need to think about jacket. I'm doing light jackets. So I don't know. What do you think? I know like I could try to wear something more than once, but honestly may have to. 5-6 pairs of pants. That's pretty good. I just don't know what I'm gonna wear with those pants on what days. I wish I knew it was just gonna be hot so I didn't have to worry about weather, but it is what it is. I got this new toiletry bag from Target that I love. This is its size, like compared to my hand. It's one of the like hanging ones, so it has the loop on it. I think I'm gonna put like some makeup in here. And then this little compartment, I have like some travel size stuff, but look how deep it is. And then whenever we get to a hotel or anything, I can just hang it up. So I really like it. And it's like a small version of one of these because I've seen a lot of these that are just like so bulky and I do not need that much stuff. Also, the days leading up to you leaving are like the most annoying because you're sitting around thinking like, what am I gonna wear today that I can wear today that I'm not gonna want to wear on the trip? I even do this with like bras and underwear. I'm like, I'm gonna want to wear those underwear. Those are good underwear. So Right now, I'm planning on bringing my backpack on the plane just for extra space. Like, I don't even know why I need extra space right now. These are my OG noise canceling headphones for the plane. It's like absolutely essential. I have my go-to external battery. I bought this. You know those like Lululemon sling bags? Well, that's not enough for me because I feel like it's a little too small. You open them, like everything can fall out. So I found this on Amazon. It's like that same nylon-y material, but it's got a couple zips. It's a little bit bigger and it is a sling. However, I'll probably like just one arm it. This, like a mini little backpack thing, or if I'm filling it, you know, I can put up front. So I probably won't be carrying a purse around. Maybe I'll bring like a small little purse that I can just squeeze in my bag, but this is gonna be like my everyday. That way I can like carry like a camera, maybe a water bottle, my wallet. I like that it also has this in case I want to carry an umbrella if it's rainy. I've got my power converters. These are always like super interesting to me. I'm waiting on one more package from Zara. I got a couple shirts, one for like the Harry Styles concert and then another pair of jeans, which I probably didn't need them, but it's just kind of nice to have them. I bought some black jeans from Gap that are talls. I don't know, they fit really well and they're long enough for me, but they're not quite like baggy. I don't know. So I'm gonna see what the Zara ones are like and I may send those back. Other things, snacks for the plane. I already opened these. That was a bad decision. I bought these cute little shrugs to kind of put over in layers. Bought this off Amazon. I'll probably just wear a normal white shirt, like a fitted white shirt. And then this on over it maybe. It's not very warm because it does have crochet holes, but still maybe it will be 67. I think I'll be good in that. And this one's fun and it's actually warm, but it's got the crochet top and then kind of got this like ribbed extra long sleeve. These are like super comfy, these pants are, and they're super long too. Right now I've got two pairs of blue jeans, these khaki jeans, this long skirt from my thrift haul. Bought a new pair of trousers. They're from Gap and they're talls, so they fit really well. Have a couple pleats in them. They look denim there, but they're navy, and I'll probably just wear them with this like fitted white long sleeve. I hemmed those black trousers from my thrift haul and they fit really well. Plus, I don't know if you ever saw these back in like 2020 when everyone was buying things off Amazon like every single day. I got these pack of like, they look like pant buttons, but it's actually like a pin, so it can make your pants fit. But basically you put this through your buttonhole and then you can like move it over and tighten your pants without using like safety pins or anything. I'll probably wear these and like dress it down with this ribbed pink long sleeve. For the Harry Styles concert, I got these pink trousers off Amazon and I let out the hem in them and I re-hemmed them yesterday. I think I did a pretty good job. So they're like an extra inch on them now. They're really light and flowy. They're wide-legged. They're super cute. Have some pleats in them. And I went the vest route, the funky vest route for Harry Styles. I like this vest a lot, but it kind of looks like it's from Forever 21 or Target. No offense, but then also, if you thought about it, it could be like high-end brand. It's cute, and I think I'll wear this one again some other time, I think. I don't love it because it does kind of look like I got it from like Walmart. I also ordered the same vest, but in this pattern. He actually wears a shirt that has the same pattern to it, but I don't know that I'd wear this one again. I don't know. I still haven't decided. It's gonna be a last minute decision, but I think I'm gonna send this one back because I don't know that I'll wear this one multiple times. But like, it's closer to the one that like, he kind of wears, which like, I'm not trying to match him. Oh, I also picked up these really cool parachute pants. Kind of goes along with that like cargo trend that's going on. I like that they're this like kind of windbreaker material. They've got, you can like tighten them at the ends if you wanted to, but they're baggy and they're kind of, I can wear them kind of low rise. I don't know what I'm gonna wear with them, but I'm gonna wear this one day that we're like, you know, touring places, kind of more out in the country or something. I'm into it. I think you gotta dress it up right, but they do kind of look like ski pants. So there's that. These are my trusty Zara jeans. I probably will just wear a normal black rib top with it. One of my go-to tops. As far as like on the plane, I think I'm gonna wear black yoga pants. I also have a pair of like Lulu joggers that are nice looking, but they're super comfy. I am tempted to bring like a couple pairs of shorts, even though I doubt I'd touch them. I think I'm gonna bring a tennis skirt. At least one. Besides that, I've got a stack of socks. I haven't even like got all my toiletries together. I like what I've got going on here. I think I'm gonna try to get this all put up in a suitcase tonight, not tomorrow. It'll be fine. It's not that big. I mean, I have to tomorrow. My flight is like a later flight. It's kind of a red-eye flight because I leave Boston at 8 and then I'll land in London Heathrow at like 8 a.m. something like that. I woke up this morning thinking I'm gonna get to see London from the sky in the morning. I think that'll be really cool. Hopefully I'm awake for that. Hopefully I get to sleep on the plane. I am worried about that long of a flight. I've never been on this long of a flight. It's a 6.5 hour flight, I think. So even for across the pond, I know that's shorter because like I think my mom's from Dallas is 8 hours. This is my cropped hoodie I'll probably wear with a couple things. I know I don't need to bring more than one hoodie, but I'm tempted to bring one more for the plane. This is a lightweight kind of jacket that I thought looked good with the black jeans. I did buy some compression socks and I'm really excited to use those. I am. I've worn them around the house a little bit to just try them out and I'm not sure that they do anything. I thought they were just gonna like make me feel amazing, but they didn't really do much. Maybe they'll do a lot more on the plane. I'll let you know if I update anything, but that's what I've got going on right now. Last minute I always just start stuffing in more stuff, so I'm gonna try to avoid that, but don't be surprised if like I have the big mama suitcase over there full, okay? I'm gonna try not to though.